Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm obviously here with two special guests today. This is James, my husband, and we have Maui here. Who knows how long she'll stay there, but right now it's really cute, so enjoy it while it lasts. So I thought it'd be fun to do a video where James has my makeup. So we've never done that before, and it's something I've always thought would be fun to try, and why not film it? So you guys can see all of the makeup that we have laid out. This isn't makeup I use every day at all. Like, it's just pretty much everything I have with different options of whatever he chooses to use. So we'll see how it goes. Also, while we're doing this, I asked today on Instagram for questions for us. So we'll be answering some questions while he does my makeup. So take it away. Why don't you just see what you think would be first?
Well, first would be the foundation. Something on the bottom. What is this? Glow Mist. Here's some foundation. Ooh. I think I'm gonna go first with a little bit of mist here to protect your skin and then nourish it.
Okay. It's beginning.
Now, you want some? Is this the right one? Okay.
It's really close. Usually I have it like out. Okay.
All right, so we got that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna kind of rub that in to make sure. All right, then we're gonna do some. I think I'm going with this one. I'm thinking I'm gonna need to use my blender for this one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get a dog.
A dog.
A dog. Yeah,
It's a dab.
Maybe I do call it a dab.
Yeah, it's usually like a dab of something or a dollop.
A dollop.
Dollop.
How does it pour out? Does it pour out onto this? I feel like this is gonna take a while.
We're gonna answer one of these questions. What do you fight over the most? Okay, if I was gonna say what we fight over the most, I would say like stupid little things.
Yeah, I wouldn't think there's not really one big defining thing that we're like, oh, that's our thing.
Yeah.
We just can't seem to agree on it.
If there was one of those things though, I feel like it would be where we spend money. It's not really ever a fight though. It's just like a conversation and we don't agree. But like, that doesn't mean it has to be a fight just because you disagree.
So that was foundation, Fit Me foundation. 105, Fair Ivory. Let's see. Oh.
What?
Is it supposed to like... Oh, yep. All right. So now for all you folks at home, we're just...
Yes, please tell them what you're doing. Wow, you're finding a lot of imperfections on my face. What's your favorite food to eat?
Oh, those fried roast beef sandwiches.
Oh yeah, French dips. He loves those.
Those are pretty darn good.
I would have to say mine is anything probably Italian, so pizza or pasta. It's probably what I lean towards the most, my favorite. Okay, we're gonna do another question while he's looking for what to do. Okay, one thing you do that always gets on his nerves and vice versa. So basically, like, our biggest pet peeve is with each other.
It could have something to do with like, me picking up your stuff and putting it in random spots.
That is annoying.
And you leaving your stuff all over the floor.
So they kind of correlate, is what you're saying.
I think they do, but I don't know.
That is definitely a pet peeve.
Right,
I'll have like a bunch of stuff, like papers in one place. And I have them there for a reason, because they're the important bills and like papers I need to look through. And then he'll move them. And then I don't know where they are. because he likes to just throw everything in my office that's messy.
That is something I do.
He literally
I don't want to have to look at it.
He just
so
throws it in my
your
office and closes the door so he doesn't have to look at a mess of papers.
Oh, that's a lot.
Really,
Where do you take it off? I don't know about that.
you have to blend it.
Sorry.
You're like, you're ripping my face off, but it's fine. Oh, I know something that really annoys you.
What?
When the blankets aren't straight on the bed.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
we crawl in bed, right? And if like the, oh, it tickles. If the blankets aren't like perfectly like on the bed like they are right now, yeah, he has to get up and fix them or he cannot sleep. If the blankets are like crumpled in any way or sideways.
All right, we're gonna go for some blush. It's not opened. That's a bad sign. Little here. Little here.
When are you ever going to have kids?
That remains to be seen.
When are we gonna have kids, James?
No. Whoa. That went on way thicker than I thought.
I would say to that
I'm
question
gonna spread it a
that
bit.
we are going to have kids
When we're good and ready?
when we're ready. And let's just say, we are not ready. Oh my God.
Now, hey!
We have a kid. That's her right now. What is the best and hardest part of marriage?
The hardest part for me is
Yes.
thinking about someone other than myself on a daily basis.
That's pretty accurate. That's hard to do. I would say for me, the hardest part, not that I also don't struggle with being selfish, is like not being completely independent. That sounds kind of weird, but like basically every decision you make affects the other person. So you can't just go out and kind of do whatever you want. And so sometimes I wish I could just do whatever I want and not care what he thinks, because we think differently on things sometimes. And so I would just like run and go do this A, B, whatever, buy A, B, or travel to fill in the blank. Can you please show the camera what you're doing, what you just did?
Well, I got this stuff here. And then, oh, it's blush.
And what did you just dip into?
I was gonna brush it on. I thought it was for eyebrows.
That's like my hardest part, is that sometimes I just want to like do my own thing and I can't just do my own thing all the time.
The best part is being able to think about somebody else on a daily basis. Because I also said it's the worst thing, but because you're, whoa. I know I've grown as a person. And I really like Kevin. He was my best friend.
Aww. Yeah, that's what I would kind of to go along with it, is that the best part for me is being able to just like have your person and you know they have your back no matter what. And at the end of the day, your spouse will be like your best friend because they're your partner in life. And obviously they love you and they care about you, so they're gonna be there for you through everything. Like, what are you wanting to do?
I'm wanting to do eyebrows.
Well, you kind of skipped over. You called what the eyebrow thing is something else. What is the name of that product? Oh, no. It's literally in big letters. Brow Wiz. And he's like, eyeliner.
I don't know what to do here. What do I put my hands? Can you go this way? It's not coloring.
You might need to screw it out a little bit.
I'll try the other side. See what this does. It's basically just combs your eyebrows, so it's like...
All right. Can James cook?
That depends. I would say, does James choose to cook often? No.
He can cook some things really well. So he's really good at burgers and fish.
I love fish.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to be particular. Maybe this is a bad idea. It's gonna be like a 3-hour-long video.
Now I think I'm moving on to eyeshadow.
While you're getting ready to do that,
Trying to guess on a good brush for.
when are you getting a second dog?
Oh, that might be a while.
No, probably when we move.
Oh, really?
Depending on where we move and what we move into. We are planning on moving, but I'm not going to tell you where or when. It'll be a surprise to keep you on your toes. But we are planning on moving eventually. And in the soon-ish future. Not like soon, but...
Choosing the ruby one.
Would you like to point to it?
This one.
Thank you.
All right. I've been dreading this thing, but it's
You're not going to try for eyeliner?
Okay. I'll take that hint.
Look you're giving me right now. Oh boy.
This is way harder than I thought it would be.
Eyeliner is hard. Imagine doing it on yourself. I'm sorry. I couldn't resist. Did you mess up?
Yeah. All right, do that. Do that.
I can't stop laughing. Oh, I probably made you mess up. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's about the same as the other side.
Emily asked, "What's your favorite memory with me?" No. Sorry, I'm not gonna let you do that the wrong way. Lord in heaven. Please don't
Can you
pinch
just
me.
do this?
No.
These things gross me out.
Okay, it's totally
Actually,
fine.
I'm gonna choose not to use those. I always pictured like putting them on your eyelid and being like, oh.
Yeah, but it doesn't hurt if you do it right.
I'm not gonna be able to do that right.
Honestly, one of my favorite memories is gonna be when we landscaped the front of the house, and that was literally last weekend. It was just so fun, and when the three of us did it together.
Oh, when we stopped at our house on the way back from Colorado at the end of the summer.
Oh, that was fun. We went to Mall of America.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my sister asked for budgeting tips.
At the beginning, it was, we made a budget and it was way too complicated because I did it. And so I busted out this thing in Excel. Thought it was the most wonderful thing. Put an extreme amount in savings, more than what was realistic. And because it wasn't doable, we didn't stick to it.
I think Every Dollar is the best budgeting app because we've tried a lot of different budgets.
All right, we're gonna do a little bit of setting spray. Oh, you have to see it. Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
Should I just get your
No, I
makeup
can
here?
use this.
All right.
Okay, ready?
So Casey's gonna look at it.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Why did you put the eyeliner so high?
Well, because it was like, I don't know.
Okay, the face isn't too bad. You were worrying me a little bit with the makeup. With the bronzer.
What about the bronzer?
It's not too bad.
And the pink on here.
Yeah, that's really not bad. You did the lips good. The eyes? Oh. Yeah, no. This is the finished look.
girl.
We had fun answering your questions. And if you want to see more of James, you should like this video and comment that because I think he's fun. If you have any requests of videos you want us to do or topics we should talk about, we would love to do that. So that's all. I'll see you guys next week and stay safe and healthy.